Hey guys, we're from Group 2. Today, we're gonna make an insulated flask.
Hi, I'm Kaiwi. I'm the project manager, voiceover, and also the prototype designer.
I'm Nicholas, which is the editor, voiceover, and also the prototype designer.
Hi, I'm Alvin. I'm the voiceover and the prototype designer.
Hi, I'm Weibao. I'm the voiceover and the prototype designer.
Now, let's proceed to the things we need. We will need a glass bottle, a plastic bottle, 2 pieces of aluminium foil, cellophane tape, a pair of scissors, and some kitchen towel.
Firstly, cut the middle of the bottle and also the top section of the bottle.
Next up, wrap the glass bottle with a piece of aluminum foil. Use some cellophane tape to secure the aluminum foil in place.
Then wrap the bottle with some kitchen towel and another piece of aluminium foil.
Use some cellophane tape to secure the aluminum foil in place.
Now, put the glass bottle into the plastic bottle. Then, stick the middle opening of the plastic bottle with some cellophane tape.
Repeat the last step for the top opening.
How does a thermos work? In the thermos that we have made, the space between the glass and the plastic bottle acts as a barrier which prevents heat loss through conduction. Besides that, the bottle cap also helps to prevent heat loss through convection. As a result, it can prevent heat loss or heat absorption and help to keep drinks or beverages hot or cold.
How the thermos flask keep the liquid hot or cold? Firstly, the aluminum foil, which is wrapped around the inner glass bottle, is shiny. Thus, it reflects all the heat inside the glass bottle and does not allow heat to go out. Moreover, the layer of glass wall of the thermos flask is thin, so it prevents heat loss through conduction. Besides, the layer of tissue between aluminum foils acts as an insulator to prevent heat loss or heat absorption. Therefore, the thermos flask will help keep hot drinks hot and cold drinks cold.
How long does your insulated thermos that you design can keep things hot? All of our insulated flasks keep things hot for 3 hours. What drinks can you put in your insulated thermos? We can keep almost every type of beverage of drinks into the insulated flask, no matter if it is hot or cool. However, drinks that are sweet and sticky are not recommended as it will be hard to clean later on.
What are the requirements to create an insulated thermos? To make the insulated thermos, you will need a glass bottle, a plastic bottle, 2 pieces of aluminum foil, 3 to 5 pieces of kitchen towel, a pair of scissors or penknife, and some cellophane tape.
Thank you.